Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Gamestop is investing in Bitcoin 2 following strategist footsteps. Then I would like to also talk about that Fidelity is coming out with its own stablecoin. And then we have North Carolina bill would add crypto to states' retirement system. And we have Blackrock's tokenized money market fund, which expands to Solana. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So that's important. Very simple. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and now let's do it. All right, and now let's start with the market as usually. So, well, Bitcoin is actually up 1% in the last 24 hours with this $88,232 US dollar. Ethereum just a tiny little bit up, 0.2%, but still above 2,000 US dollar with 73 US dollar. Okay, top mover is Move, up 18%, Pepe 15%, and Shiba Inu 14%. When we're looking at here the top 100. And losers, well, P still going down 11% now, 4 up 7%, so sorry, down 7%, and PancakeSwap down 7%. And when we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, then we still can see that actually we had 1, 2, 3 days now finally closing above the 200-day moving average. And now yesterday we just closed about this very important support line, which is around 87 US dollar, 87,000. And now the next one is, we have this two trend lines, but what I'm really watching to getting to this 92,000 US dollar, and do we break above it? But so far so good. In the last couple of days, Bitcoin is looking a little bit stronger and stronger. And also you can see some altcoins coming up. And now let's talk about the first news, which is about that Gamestop is going to invest in Bitcoin as well. So it looks like Gamestop is simply following strategist's footstep and investing part of its company's cash into Bitcoin. So the video game retailer GameStop announced Tuesday its board has approved a plan to buy Bitcoin with its corporate cash. And yeah, very similar what Strategy is doing in several ways. And actually they held 4.8 billion US dollar in cash. So this is actually also massive, and just the fact that more and more companies realize that Bitcoin could be a great investment. Of course, for Strategy that it's buying that many Bitcoin, it's not that great for us in a way that that Bitcoins will be centralized when it's looking at the ownership in one company. But when more and more companies, buying separately, that will be also decentralized, this kind of institutional investment. And also, if one company starts, another follows, and so on and so forth, more and more will join this game. Now, Gamestop is now the next one. Right. Now let's talk about Blackrock expands its tokenized money market fund to Solana. Solana was more known about its meme coins, but it looks like now Blackrock is taking Solana more and more seriously because, its tokenized money market fund, BUIDL, started on the Ethereum blockchain, but now they expand it to Solana. And in this fund, it's already almost 2 billion US dollar, and with this is dominating tokenized US treasury products. And when BlackRock takes this serious and moving to Solana, this could bring some others to Solana as well. So this is bullish for Solana in my opinion. This is what I wanted to mention about this topic. And now let's move on to Fidelity, which would like to come out with its own stablecoin. the stablecoin market going to get bigger and bigger. When you're looking at this here, then Coinbase actually saying that the stablecoins are predicted to 10x in the next 5 years. And yesterday I just talked about the Donald Trump's company. It's coming out with its own US-backed stablecoin, and now we have Fidelity planning to come out with its own stablecoin. Fidelity is an asset manager for 5.8 trillion US dollar, and they're going to launch the stablecoin through its cryptocurrency division, Fidelity Digital Assets. And actually, they are close to the final stage now. And also, the stablecoin bill could be finalized in a couple of months' time. So, yeah, we're going to see more stablecoin issuers in the future, I believe, as this is, getting bigger and bigger now. Right, and finally, let's talk about another use case and investment of crypto. North Carolina state retirement system would like to invest in crypto as well. Probably more and more state retirement funds will be also interested to put some of their allocation. So more state retirement funds could invest in crypto and put some part of their portfolio in it. Now here we have North Carolina lawmakers have introduced the twin bill in the House and Senate, which could see up to 5% of crypto asset allocated state retirement funds. So you can see that more and more industries exploring crypto investment. And every day I can bring you another example who is the next to getting into crypto. Sometimes a bigger player, sometimes a smaller player, but more and more players are getting into crypto. Guys, I think these were the most important today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.